Hello guys, the main intention for making this video is to give thank you to all the people, those who are making success of my last Sunday workshop on Python. Similarly, this coming Sunday also I'm planning for another workshops, not like single workshop, multiple workshops I'm planning there this Sunday. Good. Coming for the details of these workshops there, overall 3 workshops I'm going to be conducted. One is on Python, the continuation of last Sunday workshop and this Sunday also. And the next one is Spring Framework Introduction. Spring Framework Introduction, I'm going to take another workshop. Then after that, Java 9 Features workshop I'm going to take. Overall 3 workshops I'm planning this coming Sunday. Clear. Now coming to the details of this one, now come for this first one here. So first workshop is topic Python Language Fundamentals Part 2. So what I am going to discuss there inside this part 2, I'll discuss there. It's a continuation of previous Sunday workshop. In the previous Sunday Language Fundamentals Part 1 we completed. Right, so timing for this workshop is which one? 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST. Morning, Sunday morning, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Sunday is which one? 7th, 4 and 19. 7th, date 7 and 4th month and 19. Topic is which one? Python Language Fundamentals Part 2. Timings is 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST. Mode is both online and as well as in which one? Offline. Both online and offline. Both the sessions are available. Both are possible there. For online users, link is which one? This is the link. Of course, I will give this link as a clickable link in the bottom of this video there. Just we can check it. And the next one is webinar ID. If you want to attend the same session through mobile phone, then we have to go for which one? This webinar ID. I'll give this webinar ID also in the bottom of this particular link. Next one, workshop agenda. What I am going to discuss there regarding this workshop agenda. Inside this workshop, the last Sunday continuation part, number systems in Python is a topic, one topic. Keywords and reserved words inside the Python. And the next one is operators in Python. These are 3 topics I am planning there this coming Sunday, exact on 7th morning 8 o'clock. Previous Sundays I conducted Python workshop at 9 o'clock, but this Sunday I am planning to conduct this workshop at 8 o'clock exactly. Right, so this is the workshop agenda. Number systems in Python, keywords in Python and operators in Python. Next one, this is the details. These are the details about Python workshop. Try to attend for this Python workshop clearly. Next one is workshop number 2. So topic is Spring, Introduction to Spring Framework. Introduction to Spring Framework. Very much introduction part for the Spring Framework. Timing for this Spring Framework is 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. IST. 2 hours of workshop we are planning there. So workshop mode is which one? Both online and as well as in offline. Both online and offline. This workshop here we are planning. Now for this also link I have given there. Python workshop link and this is Spring workshop link. Both are not same. Both are different. I'll provide this link also in the bottom of this video. And webinar ID also we are given there for mobile users. Workshop agenda is which one? The complete introductory part for like which one? Spring Framework. First one is frameworks introduction. Why frameworks are coming? What are the advantages of frameworks? Like which one? What are the benefits we are able to get from frameworks? These things we are going to understand. Next one is types of frameworks. How many types of frameworks are available? Web frameworks and like which one? There no application framework. Right? What are the advantages of these things? Next one, differences between web framework and application framework also. After that, I'll go for the differences between Spring, Struts and JSF, this kind of comparison. How Spring is separated from Struts and JSF there. Next one, Spring modules overview. What are the various modules are available? Of course, n number of modules are available, but mainly used modules. What exactly the purpose of mainly used modules and their overview I am planning there regarding this workshop. And finally, workshop number 3. So the topic is which one? Core Java 9 features. In the last few days, might be I discussed about Java 8 there last few Sundays. Now this Sunday, Java 9 features workshop I am planning there. Timings is afternoon 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. IST. Mode is only online, no offline. And for Java 9 features topic, only online workshop is available. It's the afternoon time, might be only online features, online workshop only we are conducting, not offline. Right, sir. Next one is link for that. Here we are given that for Spring Framework introduction and for this Java 9 features. Link is same, very same. Same link, workshop link I am providing, Java workshop link. For mobile users also we are providing webinar ID. We can use that webinar ID. Now workshop agenda, if you observe there, private methods in interfaces, try with resources enhancements, diamond operator enhancements, factory methods for creating immutable collections or unmodifiable collections, stream API enhancements, the shell, the J shell, REPL programming, interactive mode, console mode, and JPMS platform like Java, JPMS. The total is a module system is available inside the Java 9. It is very good. It's very good implementation part available inside this which one Java 9 features. Java like a platform, Java programming module system. Okay, JPMS is available here, that we are going to be understand clearly. Next one is which one, then after that, if you want to go for the details there, if you want to come for the details of this workshop here, if you want to come for offline classes there, for offline classes, for offline workshop, if you want to attend the sessions in offline, just we have to come to the location 202. This is our office here, office location 202 HMDA Maitri Vanam, HMDA Maitri Vanam, Amirpet, Hyderabad 38. This is a location if you want to attend for offline. Now 202 block is which one there? Durga Saudi main office block. But our workshop is going on in the same building 307 classroom. That means workshop is going on at 307, but the office is available at 202. Right, sir. Now if you want to get the more content of these workshops there, so submit a request mail to our official online classes, like Gmail ID is available, Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. Send a mail to Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. Or if you want to get more updations about my Python articles and about my Python classes there, visit my own page www.facebook.com/Python by Nagoor Babu. That page I prepared there, where I have given already number of posts on Python and as well as which one schedules information. Next one is, if you want to get more details about these workshops, another page is available for Java developers there, www.facebook.com/Java by Nagoor Babu. It is available. Next one is, if you want to get more batches information, more details about my classes and Durgasoft schedules, just visit www.durgasoft.com. And if you want to get the details through voice, now contact with these numbers here clearly. So for online details, here we have one mobile number 8885252627, 8885252627 for online details. And if you want to get more details about this offline, for offline details if you want to get it, so 8096969696, 8096969696. So these are the right mobile numbers we are providing if you want to get more details about these workshops clearly. So try to attend for these workshops and get more awareness, and we are ready to share our total awareness to you. Then try to get benefit of these workshops. Overall 3 workshops. One is directly Python workshop, second one is a Spring introduction workshop, third one is which one, Java 9 features workshop we are planning.